show you a quick little video here about how I filled the dirt in up here to keep the water from coming in up on this end. Once again, there's just a few cracks right here in that area right there down in the basement. So hopefully this will steer the water away from the house. I've done that all the way down through there. Funny thing though, a buddy of mine brought the dirt here. You can see where he dumped it out here in the yard. But he backed in here and done that when I wasn't here one day. And this right here is typical Joe of all trades luck. He backed right by my tree here, which has a water spigot, and he ran over my water spigot. So once again, another project. But hey, the to-do list never ends anyway. We'll get to it one of these years.